Nigeria, and all our dignitaries here present. This association needs your support. We have started something that we thought we wouldn't get to this level. Thanks to the support of good people, one like Mohammed Jah, the First Lady, and many others here present today. We recognize your support. We still now, request your support to ensure that this association achieves its objective. Dr. Langfa of Akalan, here is an association you've all supported from day one. We want you to continue supporting this association. This association has great objectives to promote our heritage, to promote and develop the Pulaar language, and to partner with other organizations in the continent to promote African heritage, to promote peaceful coexistence between FULBE and other ethnic groups, to advocate against harmful cultural practices. We cannot do it without your support. The young people of this association over the years have mobilized their funds to support their activities, to implement their activities. We call on the general public, government, non-governmental organizations, the private sector, to support FULBE Africa, to support organizations of culture in this continent, in the continent. And now, Professor Farika, we are suggesting a conference of young Fulani people from Africa, in Africa. FULBE Africa wants to suggest to the Terminal Pulaar International Anxiety, believe would help us preserve our beautiful heritage as Africans. That way, we partner with other groups to promote peace. If you look at Mali today, Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, there is instability, ethnic instability, and this is how we can solve this problem. The other ethnic groups here present, we are one family. Our interest is to promote, the Pulaar heritage and also advocate for peaceful coexistence. And we hope you'll join us in this journey, partner with us, work towards the advancement of our continent. Thank you so much. On jarama min weltima no fewi horejo lamido min yafno hakke on ari gilam hanki. There was a breakdown of communication. We did not get the information that you were in town. We could not receive you from the airport. We wish to apologize on behalf of the people of the Gambia, and we hope your stay here, the remainder of your stay here, will be very memorable and very exciting. Thank you so much for coming into the Gambia. We are proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. You are the thank you, we're Indian. Honorable Alisa, thank you, we're Indian. Talia. No, Mr. Yak can speak Indian, so you know. Hajoni, kala anduno no fala SIM card QCell, Yahuba auto. Ya to mention the SIM card QCell free. Hande SIM card QCell ko free. Kala ka yawda ender Gambia SIM card QCell ko free. Kanyuma e QCell yon andi rek sa jetti dalasi ma anadi ender QCell andu a jetti dalasi da wadde support goddo go. So QCell ko NNJ suñu boss la. Ha joni kadi jango be artist be wabbe do perform be fop jango haray be Alliance Franco ko fundraising event kala anduno wadi support de falame wadde support me yara yeso arjango ticket aji dino yeyede
ya fa op president o
acce hakke min hebi do announcement bomin wadi our lamido from Nigeria, His Excellency Bello Abdullahi Bodejo wants to donate 10,000 exercise books to the First Lady for Gambian people. Her Excellency the First Lady, our honorable guest from Nigeria, the Lamido of Yeti Allah Association, wish to present these books to you, and he also want to commit himself that he'll provide 10,000 copies of these books he wants to present to you now through your office to support children, school-going children in this country.
Thank you very much. Kella nebe fota wana seda himo jettude bukkuje na ko dengal pular windi e mudun o jonna dum woni first lady o ɓe ngullanɗo on jarama fota wona seeɗa on jarama
min beltanimama on no bete
ha joni kadi so daari so tawi on daari ko ala on ɗo top joma bitikaji ɗin woni joma bitikaji ɗin kala marɗo bitik ɓay enen fulɓe ko en andiriɗa ko golle islam yahu aji banque ɓe wallete ha moƴƴa pour no wawna waɗirde noon kala noon faalaɗo sim card walla rawta walla kala ko faalaɗa e sengo internet yaw yiida e kiwsel kala kaɓe woni ɓe wallete aha can I say it wowlu mami artami nodda on ko on ɗo woni joma naturel joma aji bank joma Q City joma QCell Sierra Leone joma Q TV joma espace moto joma Q radio e joma QCell Sierra Leone e joma aji bank mi fala kella non Muhammad Dia kella ne mo fota wana zera ko as from today
to firtani
kella ne Muhammad Dia fota wana zera kan fori
o holliri nene ko kongol o holliri nene ko kongol mom neddo ko fata ko nangirta abisnama welcome
assalamu alaikum yo yaay translate di
may translate amul problème
assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh
wo yuri ngi inde Allah kelle ne do agodo okay
assalamu alaikum fulbe
wa yuri ke on
first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to the President of the Republic of the Gambia, Mr. Adama Barrow.
Eni woyo yettu ko yewta do konko woni wolde ko ngonada dum e mbuuso o jogo amo jabe nabora be jonna dum President Adama Barrow.
We are also welcoming the Permanent Secretary